Hello, everybody. It's great to be here. I would like to thank the TASSA organizing committee, the president, and it's really a great honor to be here, being as ex-Chicagoan, lived here for 7 years, working at UIC, and would like to just give you brief information about newly established institute, which is called TUSEP, equivalent of Turkish Health Institute or Health Institute of Turkey, and I am holding the position of Biotechnology Institute Director. Turkey has a 23 vision of increasing R&D capacity in the health, promotion, clinical research, R&D-based production, advancing in pharmaceutical industry, innovative drugs, and medical device industry. With that, 64th government of Turkey also set the goals of increases of support of R&D, support of domestic production, support of the establishment of collaborations, and ease the work permit of international scientists. Health Institute of Institutes of Turkey established in 2005, and under which we have 6 institutes. I'm going to come to that. And based on those principles and equality, transparency is the key that we are going to operate. Similar organizations, institutes are as NIH, MRC, Max Planck, CERN, and mission is to identify basically medical and health-related issues and perform the research, R&D, and production basically. And then with that, Turkey, as you all know, we have been working really hard to produce our own vaccines, our own medications, antibodies, and such. With the establishment of TUSEP, hopefully, TÜBİTAK has gone so far and did really great job making us all educated scientists, researchers, but it's so big and so diverse now that the health-related projects needs to be undertaken with the TUSEP. So TUSEP is going to function just like NIH of Turkey. The areas that we just mentioned, I'm just going to quickly go over with these, and at the moment we have 6 institutes, and these are going to be extended based on the needs. Now, Cancer Institute, Biotechnology Institute, Mother, Child, and Adolescent Health Institute, Public Health and Chronic Disease Institute, Traditional and Complementary Medicine Institute, Healthcare Quality and Accreditation Institutes are active at the moment. And then our administration, our director of the TUSEP, Professor Dr. Fahrettin Keleştimur, ex-president of the RGS University, is with us. And Vice President İlhan Satman, Secretary General Professor Bayram Yılmaz from Yeditepe University. Cancer Institute President Ahmet Özet is here, and Biotechnology Institute President is myself. And then we have Chronic Disease Institute President Mehmet Ali Akif Karan, and Turkish Health and Quality Accreditation Institute President Mustafa Bektaş. We are holding our academic positions. I am part of Karadeniz Technical University, and then appointed also to as a director of the Biotechnology Institute. This picture, I always get a little bit emotional when Dr. Keleştimur shares this with us. On the left side, 1978, first maybe groundwork was done during the RGS University Foundation, and those 2 ladies with the local dresses are really basically literally using their hands to really reach the foundation. And then the right side, after so many years and hard work, RGS University, one of the really well-established with the infrastructure, did really great job having BSL-2, ABSL-3 laboratories, and then the young lady here happened to be the granddaughter of one of those ladies. And with the really great work that Kilic carried out, RGS has one of the really well-established genome and stem cell center. There are few more that I'm going to mention, and here we have GMB Labs and the Crimean Congo hemorrhagic fever virus vaccine is being developed, and then they are right now at the phase 1 trials, which is really makes us proud. And another recently established institute is in Izmir, which is called IDG Izmir International, also has very well established labs that they are ready to carry out the fine state-of-the-art research collaborations and work. As to SEP, we just started our activities last October. Some of you are invited to second Turkish Medical World Conference held in Istanbul. And then about 400, 500 people invited from different disciplines to discuss basically health issues there. In that meeting, we also set up some workshops that we met and discussed with you. Following that one, we held a vaccine workshop in February. A very unique group of people actually that carrying some vaccine work in Turkey to set out our roadmap, what we are going to do. We are actually planning to produce our vaccines from the scratch, and this is going to take some time. So we really wanted to start from what we have inside, what facilities, what competency we have. Following that one, we had Turkish Genome Project workshop, which also Dr. Murat Günel mentioned that we are planning to also take this mega project of Turkish Genome Project, hopefully, start in 2017. We visited U.S. in several labs and also visiting labs in Turkey so that we would like to draw our roadmap based on the experiences that TÜBİTAK has and other institutions has. And Dr. Günel mentioned that we signed a contract with Yale University carrying out 3,000 such cancer patient samples and then training some of our scientists so that they can come back to Turkey and then establish the similar lab in Turkey. Our genome project target is 100,000 genomes, which we are really excited, and then hopefully we'll start this project coming years, up to maybe 10 years. This project is going to include cancer, rare disease, and also our standard genome, because we don't have our standard genome project. I'd like to leave here with you with the Karadeniz Technical University that I'm coming from, and I would like to just remind that they have also a delegate from Karadeniz Technical University here, and Trabzon is the best place, and then there is the Hamsi country that you cannot find anywhere else.